Hey family, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Queen Doshma. In today's video, it's all about thrift shopping. Yeah, you heard me. Thrift shopping, aka bend down select, aka okrika, aka okay. If you have some of the names we call this thrift shopping here in Nigeria, please leave them down below so that everybody can get to see them. Okay, so today is all about that life, and I'm going to be showing you two ways or two markets, like an open market or a street market, and where you can actually get your thrifted clothes like in a shop. Okay, so all of that is going to be in this videos, as well as the tips and tricks of how you can actually get like good clothing in the market for a good price too. All right. So guys, thrift shopping in Nigeria is not organized like the ones you see in Oyibo films. So this one is different. It is the survival of the fittest. Sometimes you get to take your clothes and somebody jacks it away from you. But that does not mean that thrift shopping is only for the poor, because this thrift shopping, it gets grade, get first grade, second grade, third grade, you understand? So it just means that you simply love variety. And sometimes guys, it gets like designer brands like Marks and Spencer, you get H&M, there are Perkins, now. So this is how we shop in an organized shop like this. Remember, I told you two ways. The first one is the one you saw earlier, where I was buying something on the street, like an open place. But here it's pretty much a shop, and it's easier. The atmosphere is fair, it's conducive. So let's get into this shop and do some shopping. So are you an okay girl, or you're just a boutique kind of girl? Please, I want to see your comment in the comment section down below. If you're an okay girl, don't go and hide. Don't go and hide. Just leave your comment in the comment section down below. So some of the tricks that you are supposed to remember before like going for thrift shopping is actually dressing for the part. You don't need to go and wear, a shiribi or something like that. You don't need to be overly dressed for this kind of thing, because going there, pretty much you're going to be selecting things and you don't want to be sweating and all of those stuff. So just dress simple. So simple and casual should be your watchword, because the more tushed you dress, the more these people are going to overprice you. So just dress very simple and casual. Another thing is having a list. Sometimes we just go to OK, and we just start picking things randomly, even things we don't need. And at the end of the day, we stack our homes with so many clothes that we may never ever use. So if you're going to get like just tops, go get those tops. Don't get anything else. Sometimes this thing can be very funny, because when you go there, you see some fine things that you want to buy. Just be careful with how you spend. And another thing is, be careful of those guys in the markets. Those stouts that keep calling you my color. I have it here. My color. What are you looking for? Is it jeans? Be careful. Those people, they don't really even have shops. In fact, they don't even have shops. So some of them are scams. So just very, very careful. And another thing is that you should size your clothes before even coming back home. Sometimes some people in the market say, no, don't try it on. If they say don't try it on, leave it, don't buy it, because sometimes you just buy it thinking it's your size, and when you get home it's tight or it's too loose, or even if it's too loose, you can even make amendments and stuff like that. So just be very careful. Size your wares before you come back. Of course, you have to size on the clothes you are wearing. Don't size them bare, because you need to wash these things, because omo, and from afar they come. Oh, you understand? All right. So another thing is to know how to price. These people will give you high prices, so you should just be ready. Just be ready. Don't be afraid. don't be afraid to haggle very well with them, and I'm sure you get good things and stuff like that.
Really looks good on you.
So another thing I forgot to mention in this video earlier on is pickpocket. You see the way I'm hanging this bag is because I'm in this shop where there are no people. You just come, you pick what you want, check it. But you saw in the first clip of me in the market, I had to wear a bag that I pretty much put it in the front of me so I can be seeing it, so people can actually pickpocket your things, your valuables, your money, your phone. So you need to be very, very careful when you're going to the market. Just make sure that you keep your bag very safe, you know. Auntie, what I am saying is shine your eye. Shine your eye. So if you feel like there are some tips and some tricks that I have not mentioned in this video thus far, or something that is very vital and useful that I have not mentioned, please leave a comment down below. What is your experience like thrifting in a Nigerian market? You know, it's very hard. So what is your experience so far? Anyway, one thing I love about shops like this is that they tend to have like variety of things. I know in the market you can pretty much get it everywhere, but you have to look for these things you get. But in like a shop like this, they have dresses, they have skirts, they have, you know, tops, they have like hats, they have pretty much like, you know, variety of everything. And that is why me personally, I love coming to shops like this where it's not really you know, everybody's not watching you. You can just do your thing low key, pick what you want and go. And they even have baby clothes, you know, so it's easier doing all of that. So yeah, so from this hat that you are seeing me trying, which one do you love best? I want to see your comments in the comment section down below. And yes, if you have watched up until this point, that means you're really enjoying the video. Do you want me to keep making videos like this? Because I want to pretty much add like sewing tutorials into my videos, because that is what I do offline outside YouTube. So yeah, so if you love videos like this, please leave a comment, leave a comment for me in the comment section down below. And by now you should have liked this video. Be cool, like the video for me. So this is just simply how to do like thrift shopping in Nigeria, especially in shops like this or on the, you know, streets, market and stuff like that. I actually had fun in this shop because it was only me and the seller, so it was pretty easy, you know, to just navigate my way through, check what I wanted and stuff like that. And you know, I feel like this can be like a side hustle. Even if you have a job that you're doing, you could just pick some things randomly, you know, put it on the mannequin and showcase it on your WhatsApp or even your Instagram page, so you can be getting, you know, small money on the side. Or if you don't have a job at all, this is something you can do. You can even go to these shops and partner with them, tell them that you're going to sell it, you know, so when you get so you can get your own cut and stuff like that. So don't say that there are no jobs, so you don't know what to do. There's actually something that you can do, and I feel like this is going to be very useful to people who want to start thrift shopping. You know, you just start small, pick some things and try to showcase them to your friends, and you know, it starts from there. So yeah, I hope to see you in my other videos, and I hope you guys did really enjoy this one. I will see you in my next one. Till then, take good care of yourselves, and yeah, bye.